How are you?
I am fine.
Alright, let's continue our learning. Today we are going to start 5th adventure from RoboGarden. We already finished 4 adventure. So let's start today's learning. Avnish, are you excited for today's learning?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Alright, so let's start. So let's start the mission with the quiz. So here is the tutorial quiz. Okay. So how many lollipops should Robo buy for his 5 friends? Given that each friend wants 3 lollipop.
50.
Okay, 15. Alright. So next. What is the cell color of the correct answer of the following question? Green. Alright.
Submit answers. Yay, we passed.
So we completed the quiz. So let's start the mission 1. So here is the mission first.
Get the sweets and add up their prices. Select the total price from available choices by painting the corresponding cell blue.
Okay, so we need to collect all the sweets and we need to paint the corresponding cell with the blue color. So let's see.
I'm going to go 1 step right.
One step right.
7 steps forward.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Alright.
I'm going to take 1 step left.
One step left.
1 step forward.
Okay.
1 step right.
One step right.
1 step forward. Paint color on cell.
Blue color.
Run the program. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Then left.
Left.
Forward. Right. Forward.
Yay, the mission is complete.
Alright, so we completed the mission 1. So let's continue with the next mission. So here is the next mission.
Collect all sweets and calculate how much they will cost. Select your answer from the available choices by painting the corresponding cell green.
Okay, so we need to paint with the green color.
I'm going to take 1 step right.
One step right.
8 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to go 1 step left. 1 step forward. 1 step right. 1 step forward. Paint color on cell.
Paint color on cell. Which color are you going to paint?
Green color.
Alright, okay, so green color.
Run the program. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yay, the mission is complete.
Alright, so we completed the mission 2. So let's continue with the next mission. So here is the next mission.
color the lollipop sells green, the chocolate box sell yellow, and the cupcake sell red. If the lollipop costs $1, the chocolate box costs $5, and the cupcake costs $3, select the total price from the available choices by painting the cell blue.
Okay, so lollipop with green color, cupcake with red, and chocolate with yellow. And the answer total price with the blue color. So let's see. Are you going to start? Are you going to use?
Yes. One step. I'm gonna take one step forward. Paint on cell.
Okay.
Red color.
Red color.
One step forward. One step forward. Paint color on cell.
It will be yellow color.
Yellow color. One step forward. Second step forward. One step left.
I think it's cupcake, right? So we need to paint that with the red, right?
Paint color on cell.
Okay.
Red
Then rotate right,
color. Right. One step right.
right.
Paint color on cell. Green color. At the paint. Green color. For you. I'm gonna take one step forward.
One step forward. Okay, one step forward here. After that, we need to paint a green cell here. Then again,
5 steps
yeah, one step right,
right.
and then
5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 step forward.
6 steps.
One step forward.
First. Second.
Second step forward.
Third.
Third step.
Fourth. Fifth. Sixth.
Okay.
Paint color on cell. Paint color on cell.
Which color? Blue, right?
Blue.
Okay.
Blue, 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 blue.
Let's run the program.
Run the program.
Red.
Red, yellow, red. Green, blue. Yay, the mission is complete.
All right, so we completed the mission. So let's continue with the next one. So here is the next mission.
You will be rewarded with maximum coins when you collect all sweets on green
We need
cells
to
and avoid
collect all the
sweets in red
cells from
cells.
green cells.
I'm going to take one step forward, second step forward,
Okay.
third step forward, fourth step forward, fifth step forward.
Okay.
Run the program.
Alright, so we completed the mission 4. So there will be last mission from this tutorial, so let's continue with our last mission from the tutorial. So here is the next mission.
Now, put biscuit and cookie in green cells and other sweets on the red cells for your friends.
I'm gonna tell
So we need to put the biscuit and what is that? Lollipop.
Cookie.
Yeah, biscuit and cookie into the green cell and all other into the red cell. So let's see how going to start. So
I'm
we need
gonna
to
take one step forward.
yeah, so we need to go forward, collect this and drop here. So for that we have here drop object
One step
step.
forward.
Okay, forward.
One step forward.
Mhm.
One step forward.
Okay.
Back one step backward. Drop object.
Okay, drop the object. Okay. So this object will collect and we'll drop this object. Okay. So we'll be here. We need to move.
Here and take the lollipop.
Okay. We need to move right.
Right. One step right.
Right. 2 step forward.
Two step forward.
2 step forward. Left.
Left.
1 step forward.
One step forward.
Okay. So we'll collect this lollipop. We need to come backward.
Backward.
Rotate left
To the left.
and drop the object.
Drop object. Drop object.
Forward.
Forward and drop object.
Drop the object. So we'll drop the lollipop here. So we need to collect this biscuit. So again 1 step right.
One step right.
Forward. Again right.
Right.
Forward.
Forward.
Drop the object.
Drop object.
So we drop object here. They went right.
You have to
Forward.
go right in the green cell.
Yep. So here is the coding. Actually we need to click all this object and we need to drop biscuit and cookies we need to drop into the green cell and all other object into the red cell. So there is a drop object step which we can use. So I think this is one of the big coding. So we need to move and collect that, come back again, drop it. So let's see. So let's run it. Backward, drop,
Backward off.
right,
Right.
drop the object,
Drop object.
again drop the object,
Drop the object. Drop
again
the object again. Take the object. Drop the object. Take the object. Drop the object. Yay! The mission is complete.
Alright, so we completed the mission. So this is the last mission from this tutorial. So we already finished all the 5 missions. So let's continue to the tutorial and then we'll have the setup packet. So let's continue. So here is the tutorial quiz. Okay. So Robo has 2 cupcakes. When the following code is performed, how many cupcakes will Robo end up with? He already has 2. So he moved 3 steps forward. Then how many?
4.
Okay, 4. Next. Robo has 4 coins, but he need 7 to buy a chocolate bar. Which setup code blocks he will be performing? He already have 4. He needs 7 coins. So which one?
That.
Rotate right,
Rotate
forward,
right, forward.
rotate left.
1, 2, 3. Correct.
Okay. So which one?
This.
Okay. So next.
Next.
Okay. So Robo has 5 coins. The cupcakes cost 3. Cupcake costs 3 and the lollipop costs 2. The chocolate bar costs 4. How many coins will Robo have after performing this?
Right.
Left,
5.
forward. Okay. So you are not collecting anything. So let's 5. So let's select 5. Next. How many lollipop will Robo have after performing the following code? Forward, left, forward, left, forward. 4. Okay. Submit the answer.
Yay, we passed.
All right. So we completed the quiz. So let's see our result. Okay, we are right. So let's go to our certificate. So here is our certificate from Adventure 5. It's your order is ready. So we so far we completed the 5 adventure and we got the 5 certificate. So thank you very much.
Like and subscribe, watch our videos. Don't forget to click bell icon. Bye.
Thank you.